My name is Prosper Temuyiwa, also known as Unicode developer, and I just released a new package called laravel password. And all the package does is to prevent your users from entering dumb passwords into your laravel applications. It's just one step in making sure you try to make your users less prone to password attacks in your laravel app. So we just spun up a new app. I just called it password app. Okay, we have login form already. We have a register form. Let's look at the database. Our database is set up. Everything is clear. So now let's try to register a user. Okay, we're going to try to register a user with a common password, prosper@gmail.com, and one of such is 123456. So we're just going to put that in 123456. 123456. So when we click on register, voila, the user is registered successfully. So let's check the database. When you check database right now, we should have information about the user. Good. Okay, so now let's try to install our laravel password package. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back to the code, composer.json here, right here. Unicode developer / laravel password. Okay, so it's at 1.0. Voila. So now that we've done that, we're just going to run a composer update. Yeah, so that should install. So as it's installing, let's quickly just go through the authentication controller. Now this is the authentication controller for that form. Okay, now we have this. These are the validations. This is what happens when you try to register. So it validates it according to all these rules. I'm sure we already know that. So all we need to do is, once the package is installed and we've referenced the service provider, we're just going to put the rule here, the unique rule that the laravel password package provides. And once you put that, we can go ahead and try to register a user with a common password and see what happens. So let's check. Oh, okay. So we have that installed already. So we need to register the service provider. Let's go to the config/app. Come here. So let's copy that from here. Voila. Now that we have the dump password service provider, let's come here and add the unique rule. This is the rule that the password package provides, dump pwd. So once we've added that, let's go back and try to register a new user. So we're just going to log out this guy. Awesome. So let's try to create a new user now. Say Funke for example. So funke@gmail.com. We're going to use the same common password, 123456. 123456. Voila. This password is just too common. Please try another. Now that's the package. That's the laravel package working. Now it has validated that password against a list of 10,000 common passwords, and it was present. So that's why it's giving us this error message. Now you can change this error message. All you need to do is go back to the code, go to your resources/lang/en/validation.php, come here, put the rule, the name of the rule, which is dump pwd. All right, so you're just going to put a unique message. Say this password is too dumb, big. All right, okay, so we have that. Let's refresh the page and let's try to register the user again. funke@gmail.com. We're going to put the same common password, 123456. 123456. Wow, this password is too dumb, I beg. So you can see that working. That's basically what laravel password package does. It prevents your users from putting dumb passwords. Now, I mean, there are a lot of dumb passwords, okay, but the list of common passwords that we've gotten, about 10,000, it just validates it. So that's just one step closer in making your users less prone to password attacks. Okay, so I've gotten feedback from some people, and they said a user can put in a dumb password first time, second time, third time, and if it keeps on giving this error message, the user might be frustrated and not even want to use your app again. So for the version 2 of this app, I'll just work on suggesting a generated password to the user, so that the user can just use that password and go ahead with registration. And I think that will be cool. But I also need feedback from you guys for additions to this package, stuff that could be better, and that kind of stuff. So that's basically all. So let's try to register the user now with a unique password, with a very good password. Say funke123 dot, funke123 dot, funke123 dot, and click on register. Voila, the user has been registered. So if we check the database, let's refresh this. Voila, we have the user's details here. So that's basically all about Laravel password. So check it out. The documentation is here, Unicode developer / Laravel password. You can scroll down and everything is there for you. You can shoot me up on Twitter at Unicode developer. I also have a blog post about this. I also have a blog post. I'm just going to open that here. Yeah, so we have this introducing Laravel password. So you can check that out. You can leave a comment, and and I'll be waiting for your feedback. Thank you very much. Bye for now.